Your agent didn't crash at 3 a.m. That's the problem. It kept running, returning garbage, burning tokens, and telling nobody. Because success and silence look identical when there's no alerting layer watching the difference. Here's the uncomfortable truth about agentic systems. They fail in ways traditional apps don't. A web server that dies throws a 500 and your monitoring lights up. An agent that hallucinates a tool call, loops 3 extra times, or quietly returns a confident wrong answer produces a perfectly clean exit code. The pipeline says 200 OK. Meanwhile, your customer got nonsense at 3 in the morning, and you find out when the support ticket lands at 9. The gap between the process ran and the process did the right thing is exactly where silent failures live, and neither LangChain nor CrewAI closes that gap for you by default. Let's start with LangChain, because it gives you the most raw material to work with. Through callbacks and LangSmith, you get granular visibility into every LLM call, every tool invocation, latency, token counts, and error traces. The power is that you can hook into on_error, on_tool_error, and on_chain_end, and route those events anywhere, PagerDuty, Slack, a custom webhook. But that power is also the catch. Nothing is wired for you. Out of the box, a tool that returns an empty string instead of raising will sail straight through your callbacks as a success. You have to write the assertion yourself. Check that the retrieval actually returned documents, that the output matches a schema, that confidence cleared a threshold, and only then fire the alert. CrewAI takes a higher level stance, and that changes the alerting story. Because you're orchestrating roles, tasks, and delegation between agents, the failure modes shift upward. A single agent might succeed while the crew collectively drifts off task, or one agent silently swallows an exception and hands a malformed result to the next. CrewAI's event listeners and task callbacks let you catch task_completed and inspect the output, but the framework leans on you to validate at the task boundary. The trap here is delegation. When agent A passes bad context to agent B, the error surfaces 2 steps downstream, far from where it started, so your alert points at the wrong culprit unless you're logging the full handoff chain. So what does real alerting look like in practice? 3 layers. First, structural checks. Did the tool return the shape you expected? Did the JSON parse? Is the field non-empty? Second, semantic checks. An LLM as judge or a rules pass that asks, is this answer actually responsive? Because a well-formed wrong answer is the deadliest kind. Third, behavioral checks. Track loop counts, total latency, and token spend per run, and alert when any of them exceed a baseline, because runaway cost is often the only visible symptom of a reasoning failure. The concrete difference comes down to this. LangChain gives you finer-grained hooks and better raw tracing, so it wins when you need to alert on the internals of a single complex chain. CrewAI gives you cleaner task boundaries, so it wins when your failures are about coordination between agents and you want to alert at the handoff. In both cases, the deadly default is the same: an unhandled edge that returns something instead of raising nothing. Wrap every external call, assert on every output, and send a heartbeat so silence itself becomes an alert. Instrument your agents before they instrument your on-call rotation. Get the structural, semantic, and behavioral layers in place, and 3 a.m. stops being a gamble. Tomorrow, I'm building the exact LangChain callback to Slack alerting pipeline live, end-to-end with the schema validation baked in. Subscribe now so that build lands in your feed the moment it drops.